Introducing the 2024 Volkswagen T-Cross 1.0 TSI 115B horsepower style. With only 592,803 kilometers on the clock and a sleek black exterior, this vehicle is as stylish as it is practical. Packed with comfort and safety features like ambient lighting, Bluetooth phone, and collision avoidance braking, you can drive with peace of mind every time. Luxurious interior features like cup holders and load cover add to the overall convenience. With a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and servicing to manufacturer specification, this vehicle is a steal. Don't miss out. Call us today or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information.